Describe a time when you received good service. In a shop store, you should say, "Where is the shop?" When you went to the shop, what service you received from the staff. And explain how you felt about the service. Answer: I would like to talk about a time when I received excellent service at a shop. It was at ABC Electronics, a well-known store located in Silit City, where I went to buy a new smartphone. I visited the shop a few months ago because my old phone was not working properly. Since I needed a new phone urgently, I decided to go to this store as it has a good reputation for selling quality products and providing great customer service. As soon as I entered, a friendly salesperson greeted me with a smile and asked how he could assist me. He was very professional and took the time to understand my requirements. Instead of just showing me the most expensive models, he asked about my budget, my daily phone usage, and what features were most important to me. Then, he recommended a few options that suited my needs perfectly. What impressed me the most was that he didn't pressure me to buy anything. He explained the features of each phone in detail, allowed me to test them, and even compared different models to help me make the best decision. On top of that, the store offered a free screen protector installation and gave me a discount on accessories, which made the experience even better. I felt really happy and satisfied with their service. The staff was polite, knowledgeable, and genuinely helpful. It made my shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. This kind of excellent service is rare these days, so it left a lasting impression on me. Overall, it was one of the best shopping experiences I've had, and I would definitely recommend this store to others.